Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been really busy with school and trying to my grades are really good anyway, so yeah, but I've just been busy studying for exams, doing projects, and yeah, for the end of the year. So I know that's really not an excuse, but I wanted just to focus on school for the last week of school. This is my last week of being an 8th grader, and then I'm going to go be a 9th grader next year. So yeah, that'd be fun. But anyway, so I thought I would make a video every day this week, like Monday through Friday. Today's Monday, June 4th. So yeah, I don't know, just vlog about my day, or not vlog. I'm just talk about my day and do an outfit of the day. So yeah, I'll do that every day, Monday through Friday, because I only have I have 4 days left of being an 8th grader. Yeah. I get out on the 8th. June 8th is when I get out of school. So, yeah. I'm clapping a lot in this video. No, because I'm really happy right now. And, yeah, I don't know why. I'm just really happy. So, yeah. So, my hair is curly. Then I just have mascara on, but it doesn't look like it. But, yeah. Because I don't put on, too much. Yeah. So, I guess in person I do, but I can't wear this much. But then, I have blue jeans on, and then I just have this shirt from American Eagle, and I tried to wear it here, like this, so it's like that, but this shoulder eventually just slipped, and I was like, oh well, who cares? So yeah, and then I really like this shirt. It's loose and flowy, and yeah, so I really like it. And yeah, that was a quick outfit of the day. And, yeah. Tonight I have to study for a science exam and a math exam. Those are the only two exams I have. So yeah. And we have on Wednesday we have first and second hour exams, and then on Thursday third and fourth hour exams, and then on Friday fifth and sixth hour exams. My science exam is on Wednesday. My math exam is on Friday. So, yeah. And, yeah, I don't know. Just been, really busy focusing on school. I just want to, try to, finish this year out strong, because I kind of tend to do that at the end of the year. I'm like, oh, well, who cares? Screw it. And I don't know, I just kind of want to, focus on school for the last 4 days. Yeah, because I don't think that's a good habit to get into, but, who cares? The last 4 days of school. Yeah, obviously you guys can tell I'm excited to get out of school, and, yeah. I don't know. So, yeah, just had a really good day. In 2 of my classes we watched movies, and, yeah, basically we're not learning anything for the rest of the year because there's nothing to learn anymore. Yeah, so, yeah, and I'll basically just be watching movies for, the rest of the week, so, yeah. Oh, and by the way, if I didn't tell you guys, I'm getting my braces off July 18th. Yeah. That's what they told me, because, I go, June 20th to the orthodontist, and then, July 18th is when I'm supposed to get them off, they told me. Oh, and okay, so my school day gives you the opportunity, if you want to go on the East Coast trip. And basically you go to Canada and New York and Pennsylvania and Washington, D.C. And it was a lot of money. It was $1,000. I know that's a lot of money, but my mom signed me up for it. Or I told my mom, I was like, I want to do this. And she was like, oh, okay. And, so I'm going to go on that through June 12th through the 18th. And, yeah. I've been clapping around in this video. Yeah, so I'm really excited for that, because that will be a lot of fun. Because, yeah, I don't know, Canada seems fun. We're going to go to Niagara Falls, so, yeah, Canada is a pretty cool country. Yeah. And I do live in the U.S., by the way, just so you know. So, yeah, I don't know, that's just gonna, go eat some food that I made that's sitting right here. Eat the food, wait for this to upload, and watch like either YouTube videos or TV. I don't know, depends what I want to watch. But whatever. So yeah, I've just been like having really good days these last couple weeks because I know school's almost out and it really excites me. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.